water's definitely getting colder as we go. Now.
The Chinese mafia don't like you no more. We want you killed.
I'm okay with that.
Okay, you just get me. You don't die though.
Do you want to come back? Huh? Huh? Okie dokie.
Oh, I like it. We went by it.
Which makes the water even colder. I'm about to get really wet. Oh, maybe not. Huh, okay.
They got it.
Oh my god, really good. This feels so weird. Oh my god.
I can imagine.
You can do it.
We're spilling over. You know, them over there yelling stroke and paddling and not making no progress reminds me of the old Peanuts show.
Stroke.
Yeah.
Stroke.
They gave up down there.
They're like, just forget it.
Yeah, they're like, yeah, this
Pull over and walk over
I don't think it's gonna happen.
I don't.
Okay. Got it. Got it.
You better jump off.
Not yet. you gonna scoot back too?
Yeah.
No, but that way.
But then if someone needs to be back there, they can switch your paddle out. I'll be fine here if you want to bring him up, and then you can.
Well, we need the weight back there to keep the boat from letting go. You sit back there with the paddle, up there with the paddle. What?
Just sit right here and it locks.
Yeah, we're on the rock. Am I far enough back? Okay.
Come up to the edge. Don't jump yet. Just come to the edge.
Go to the edge like you're gonna jump, but don't jump. Shh.
Is that a bet?
You coming up, or you want to go do it again? Huh? No, I want to know if you want to come up or if you want to go do it again. Give us a second to get ready. All right, come back and sit back here in the back unless you're going to go again. It's not cold, you liar. You came in too close to the rocks.
You didn't even know you cut your hand, so you got out of the water, didn't you?
You all right? Show the battle wound. Straight out when you go.
Straight out, go. Oh.
It went a long ways.
Giovanni don't even know what he's doing.
You gotta splash the raft.
Go, hurry, go, 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 go.
Splash the raft, splash the raft. All right, you're gonna have to get him. You're gonna have to get him. Come on.
Oh, shoot.
No, yeah, we know. Yeah, we know.
Grab hold. Hold.
Too many people at once.
Oh.
Oh my God.
I'm a. Can you get the foot yet? There we go.
Okay.
All right, cruise on back there to the back.
Do you need me to help?
No, we need you to stay your weight back in there. That's all we got. He'll be bringing the other one back when he comes out. Just jump straight out.
You can't jump off of that. Oh. Who's Mr. Dan?
Noel, I'm not sure.
Take one now.
I think so.
He did it. Yes, he did it.
All right, last one. Yeah. You lost it? Oh, you got it? Hurry up. Jump straight out off the end. Straight out. Swim. I'm gonna have to pull him up a little bit. There you go. All right, head to your boat.
Go up the rocks and go up the trail.
Got you. Don't lose them.
The water looks like it's going faster now.
Your boy did a flip. Let's go, Weenie. We gotta get going. Hey, when you get here, you're gonna get sucked under the boat.
Yeah, you gonna suck.
You should be able to touch almost right there, though. You got it? You good? All right. Yeah, it is.
Oh, shit, my phone. My iPod.
What, the box open? Oh, no.
Oh, you gotta turn it off really quick. My iPhone did the same thing.
You're gonna get sucked under the boat, but grab on.
Oh, my shoe. I got it.
Did it? The other one did?
I got it.
Oh, I thought you meant the other one did.
I got it as soon as I went underwater.
And?
It's wet. You know what?
Is it all right?
I got a good one of these before. How did this?
Dang. That's the most.
I wouldn't take no chance. I still put it in rice when you get back, though. I would.
Whichever, yeah, the front, I got the front clip.
Here it comes.
Yeah, we get the paddle to the rain.
Come on up.
Yeah, we're paddling through the rain.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Oh,
Yep.
wow, this is gonna be really fun.
I'm gonna get wet.
Yeah, we are.
I need to put on my headscarf.
You know what, though? As far as I can tell, the rain's not quite as cold as the water. Not quite.
Oh, yeah.
That's
one good point there.
It's almost warm compared to that water.
When I get ready to pull out, I'm gonna need everybody to move up to the front of the boat if you can. All right.
We're almost at the end anyways, aren't we?
We still got about 45 minutes.
Okay.
45 minutes.
45.
Well, it looks like a little more rain than the weather is. As you say, it's warmer than the river.
It's 4:50, like it's only 05 now.
Well, you got a date? You got somewhere to be?
Yeah, I do. I have to meet Mr. Chow. I have to meet him in the dining hall.
We're not going to the dining hall. We were never ever going to the dining hall.
Are you serious?
We never were.
Where are we going?
Somewhere else.
Are we going to the Mexican restaurant?
Nope.
No.
Tonight? No, I'm not going to the dining hall.
We're going to the sushi place.
No. Is that the Mongolian?
No.
We seriously go to the sushi place?
No. Like barbecue or something. I don't
No,
know.
I want to go to the Mexican restaurant.
All right, y'all.
Yeah.
Get ready to move forward.
Okay, it's that Mexican restaurant. Remember that Mexican
As soon as he says, everybody shift forward.
Ninja tiny house.
Tell you what to do. When I say go, three, you sort of stand up and down. One, two, three.
Was that it? No, nothing until he says.
Like this right here.
Yep. Sure wish I had some sunglasses now. Or a hat. Woo! Wait a minute. Did the river quit running? It looks like it quit running.